Welcome, here I've got iPhone 13 mini and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. We have to change it. Let's do it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the left to slow motion. Here we are. Now we can start recording this type of video by tapping on the big button at the center, the shutter. So let me start to show you how it works. Maybe let me give more space to my camera. And now let's start by tapping again on this button. Let's move back to this view. To see the video we have to go to the left, to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.